Hi kitty cats. So today I'm going to show you how to make my potato and green bean salad. So we're going to start off by cutting up several potatoes. I think 4 or 5 is good. And you cut them not into, don't dice them, but cut them into like big chunks. As you can see, these are like big chunks. Next thing you want to do is put some water in here and set this to boil. Just like any potato salad, you're boiling some potatoes. I just myself prefer the chunks to be bigger. If you want them to be smaller, you can, but this is pretty much how I like them. So the next part are going to be the green beans, which I'm going to cut the tips off of on both sides. And then we're going to use this little gadget here. You put this inside your pot, and then you put, after you put the green beans in this part, so you put the green beans in this part, and then you add some water and you steam them. You don't want to boil the water. You want to put it on like medium to medium high. Like you don't want it to be like too much, because you don't want to steam them too fast, because then you'll lose all of the color. And if you find that you have trouble keeping like your green beans a certain color, like if you want them like really bright, you can dump them into an ice bath when they're done cooking. I'm not going to do that for this dish, but it is something that you can do. An ice bath is just like water with ice in it, and you just, yeah, throw those green beans in there to basically shocks them and stops the cooking. So, but I'm not going to do that today, but I'm telling you how you can do it in case that's what you want to do. Okay, so now we've got water in there and the green beans are cooking. That's about 3 big handfuls. If you wanted to make it 4 big handfuls, that's fine. I mean, this is like a lot of my recipes, you can mess around with this if you want to. Okay, so the next part is this. You know those little Italian dressing packets you can buy? Different companies make them. This is just a generic one from our grocery store. So you're going to pour all of this in, and you're going to also do, you're not going to do the exact directions unless you want to. You can do it that way. But I use a half a cup of vinegar and a 1/4 cup of oil, which is like the opposite of what it says to use. I kind of switch the amounts because I can't have a lot of fat right now, so that's how I'm doing it. But if you want to make this regular and put it in, if you don't want it so vinegary, then you can just make it regular. So we're just going to whisk this together. And I don't add the 3 tablespoons of water that they suggest you add. Like I said, you can do this any way you want, or you can even just buy some bottled Italian dressing and throw that in. And you just put in the amount to taste, to like how much you want on your salad. So this is how it looks. You've got potato green bean salad. I put it back in the pot, so yeah, there's a lot of steam coming off of it and stuff. Usually I put it in a separate bowl, but I'm just trying to keep it warm while I make the rest of my dinner. And yeah, so there you go. Please share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And, you know, always be kind even when you don't like the salad.